All right, guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you something really exciting, something really cool. It's called RPA. This is the software by Keyence, the company Keyence. It's Robotic Processing Automation. And in today's video, I want to show you how we use it as a company for different tasks. In this specific task, we cross-list our products from Shopify into eBay. So there's a video that I had like two videos before or two videos ago that I posted on how to get your furniture products onto eBay from your Shopify using this Marketplace Connect. And then I showed you how to do it manually. So we're gonna do it really quick manually. Let's see. Okay, so and then after we do it manually, I'm going to show you how the RPA takes over and does it for me automatically. So the whole point of RPA is to get repetitive tasks off your hands. So that way you can either multitask or you can focus on another task at the same time while this one's getting done. So for example, before RPA, we would have to come in here and we would go ahead and do this process. Hit enable, pick the category, then get the price. Usually it's a little bit cheaper on this end. Fix quantity, then fix the shipping, service, FedEx, handling time 3 days. And then once we're here, we're gonna go here. All right, once we're here, we're gonna get the dimensions. Oh. And then take notice, it's 10:44. This is how long it takes manually. And then material, wood, and then color, red. Material, wood, color, red. And then that's it. We would go ahead and hit save. So we finished the listing. Basically, it's going to activate it onto eBay. And as you can see, it's publishing. So now we go to the next, right? And that was a manual work. It didn't really take that much. It didn't take that much brain power to do that. However, it did take some time. And so now if we're trying to do that in bulk, say I'm trying to do, 100, 200 of those for the day, that's going to take me quite a bit. So what RPA does is it's going to do exact same thing that I just did, but it's going to do it automatically. So here's the RPA software. We're going to do an example of some products. So as you can see, my hands are off the computer. All I have to do is confirm with the RPA that this is the SKU that I'm looking for. So as you can see, I'm clicking the right SKU and then I'm pressing yes, and that's it. I'm out. I let the RPA do its thing. There is a way to automate what I just did, which was the clicking. However, it's a little bit more complex and we're working on that. But for much more simpler processes, it should be pretty easy. So as you can see, I hit enable, hit the category. Now it's gonna go ahead and look for the price. Now, where is it getting the price? Like I said, we have an Excel spreadsheet that we give it the information for the price, the categories, and then obviously everything else is clicking. Oh, I forgot one thing. We usually add the there's this label that we put, we do not ship to certain states. I forgot to do that on the last one, but it's gonna do it here. All right, here it goes. And then now it's gonna get the dimensions that I did, and it's also gonna get the material and the color. It just pressed saved, and then now it's gonna input everything else in there. You can't really see it because of the scroll, but it did it, it finished it, and now it's gonna go on to the next SKU. So like I said, I didn't do anything. It was great. You know, the time that it took RK to do that. So now here is what I told you. I'm going to click on it, hit yes, and I'm going to let it run again. So you can do this for many other tasks, things that are just, you know, mindless, but it requires you to do it manually. Now the RPA, the robotic processing automation, can do it for you, and it can free you up from so much time, right? Like I said, how many skills do you need to do what this does? Like barely zero, right? But it does take time, unfortunately. So now with the RPA, it does it all for you. It does it error free, and you can count. It can run, you know, 24/7 by itself if you let it. You know, if I give it a list of 300, 1,000, it'll do it all day. Now, this is just one way that you can cross list automatically with the RPA to different platforms. There's a faster way. I'm going to show it to you guys in the next couple videos, which is it's called the file exchange through eBay. Basically, it's through Excel CVS or Excel sheets, and you can upload multiple at a time, thanks to RPA, right? Because RPA is able to read all those Excel sheets within seconds, and then it can upload it pretty fast. So, but this is a good way to just a representation of what RPA does and how easy it can do your task manually. Automatically. And as you can see, this is my third one. It's done quite a few. This is me clicking on it just to confirm that it's yes, and then I press yes, and again, let go. So yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna continue showing you guys some more use cases for the RPA. I've been with it for now 7 months, and it's pretty amazing what it can do. I think that this is a perfect way to leverage your time, right? Let's just say, like now, you know, this would have took me manually or somebody else, right? Like I could delegate it to somebody else, pay them, you know, let's just say $4 or $5 an hour, somebody overseas on Fiverr. But with the robot actually costs $1.30 an hour. Much cheaper, much faster, doesn't get tired, error free. As you can see, it's doing everything. It's pretty cool. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep throwing some more use cases, some more videos, so you guys can see the power of it. And I definitely recommend at least researching. It's called Kian's RPA. Look them up. And like I said, $1.30 per hour. That's how long. That's how much it costs you. All right, guys. You guys have it. Take it easy, okay? Bye bye.